Over 3 days traversing a snow-covered, fog-shrouded mountain region, this young man continuously discovered forgotten structures amidst the wilderness. Moving step by step along trails almost completely obliterated by snow, he successively found numerous old shepherd shelters scattered across the mountain slopes. Some were long-abandoned stone settlements. Others were just a single old wooden house standing alone in the cold wind. Each location bore the traces of harsh mountain life, where people once relied on rudimentary structures to survive the long winter. Amidst the silent, snow-covered landscape, this journey was not merely a mountain trek, but a discovery of the remnants of survival in the wild.